Greetings everyone, here I am again, and in the next tutorial, I will be adding native SQL expressions to an entity. To fully understand the process, it's worth watching the previous videos where we created the demo application. Let's dive in. In the first example, within the employee grid you see here, I will concatenate the first name and last name columns and display them in a single column. I will add a new property to the employee entity properties. The column definition will be an NSQL expression simply concatenating the two columns. I'll give it an alias and a user-friendly title. The list type will be string, readable, and displayed somewhere towards the front. The form type is text box, so it appears in the filter, and the form tab is 0 because it's not needed in the form view. I refresh the page, and the new column appears. This column is also sortable and filterable. Now, I'm going to display this concatenated column in the orders grid as well. I'll reference it using the alias employee name. I open the settings of the orders entity and add a new property. The entity base will be employees. The column definition will be NSQL, inherited from the entity base, so I don't need to specify the SQL expression again because it inherits it from employees. The rest of the settings are the usual ones. I refresh the page, and the new column appears. This column is also sortable and filterable. In the second part of the tutorial, I will add an aggregated value to the employee entity, showing the number of orders assigned to each employee. The same value can be seen in the embedded orders grid in the item count field. Again, I'll add a new property to the employee entity. The column definition will be an NSQL expression where I'll request a count from the orders table with the condition being the current employee's ID. I'll give it an alias and provide the user-friendly name. Its type will be numeric this time, and the other values will remain the same as usual. I refresh the page. Out of curiosity, I compare it with the number displayed in the form view. And of course, the column is sortable according to this, and I can also filter by it. So simple, and I was able to do all of this without modifying the program. If you liked it, check out the next tutorial to see how to connect the entity with a database view that doesn't exist in the data model. Thank you for your attention.